In this final video, we're going to conduct our regression analysis a third time, and this time we're going to put all three of our predictors into the linear model to examine the relationship with those three simultaneously and our outcome variable, which is life expectancy. So I'm going to go back to my data. I'm going to click Data Analysis, and once again here we see regression is still highlighted as our tool that we're going to use. And we need to go to our X range. We're going to delete those, and we need to put in the new variables, all three at the same time. Once again, we have our labels set, so I'm going to highlight all three columns. And I'm ready to run the analysis. And once again, just give me a moment so I can change the view. And I'm going to expand these columns so we can actually read the different headings. So as we did with the previous videos, we see that our R² value from the inclusion of all three predictors significantly improved to 0.66. So this would suggest that approximately 66% of the variability in the outcome measure is accounted for by the model here. And the model is our linear equation that contains three predictor variables. So we go to our ANOVA table and we see that the inclusion of the murder rate in terms of life expectancy resulted in once again here, a statistically significant prediction when all three variables, all three predictors were considered in the model. And so once again here we have a change to our y-intercept because we have a third predictor in the model. We have our slight change to our high school graduation rate slope. The income slope here, once again here, is pretty indistinguishable from zero. So we take a look at the p-value associated with the income predictor, and it's not found to be statistically different from zero. What we see here with the inclusion of murder, now the murder rate, is that we have the slope associated with murder rate that was found to be statistically significantly different from zero. And so these are what are called the unstandardized coefficient that we would put into our prediction equation, knowing that the murder inclusion resulted in a very large improvement in the predictability of our model. So this ends our final video on regression analysis, multiple regression analysis with Microsoft Excel.